So as I bring this sky mass across, it'll shift in hue, so maybe a little more. As it goes toward the sun, it'll be a little warmer, maybe toward the horizon line. Just suggests some slight shifts. The value is the most important thing. And it's also important to keep the shapes as I'm painting, because the shapes, just like a rock having fallen off of a mountain, erodes after years of weathering. So these shapes will also erode and go from interesting shapes to cotton balls and lollipops and uninteresting shapes, because I'll end up chipping off the edges and losing the specific character of these shapes. So I'll have to go back at some point and reestablish those. And down here in the distance, those hills, and also knock that in and shift toward a cooler color. Oops, for the distance, let's get that. And at this point, there is the canvas covered except for the aspen trunks, and it suggests the shapes and the relationship between the values of those linked masses, which will be the foundation for the painting.